and I am very concerned about what's going on.
You know what I want to know?
Yes.
What are these people thinking about?
I am very
Where
concerned
is
about
the
this.
importance? What about the children?
Yes.
And the children can't, they are learning as well with everybody here now. What's supposed to happen when half of the teachers are gone?
I'm concerned about that. And one thing you can do is you can go to the board meetings. On the 23rd, we're going to be having a meeting. We're going to be discussing these issues. And if you want to put pressure so that it doesn't happen, please attend those meetings. Please. There are many people from many schools who are going to fight to keep their schools open without changes. I think what's going on is just a couple of little games in Sacramento and locally to teach our schools, and that has to be stopped. I'm really disturbed about what's going on. This is just politics. I love something you play with politics. If they do something, it has to be based on educational research, not politics. Our kids are not politics. Lo que estoy diciendo es que no deben estar poniendo políticos con nuestros hijos. Estos son cambios que se pueden esperar. Tienen que planear. No han hecho la gran cosa de planeación. Yo no sabía nada de esto hasta hace como unas cuantas semanas. Apenas escuché y estoy bien molesto. Ustedes se tienen que organizar y pelear para que nos respeten a nuestra comunidad, a nuestros hijos. No son juguetes.